Hi, this is Craig from Sulcata Grove. I'm here with Valerie, and today we are going to be taste testing the Juicy Peach Mango. I have had this one before, many years ago. The one that I had a long time ago, I remember it being very watery, so I never really had a good one. So hopefully this one is going to be better. This is a very dull knife. Not my usual knife.
One also sounds like you're hitting the ceiling.
I think I have some, but it's also... That was good. That was mango-y.
Oh yeah, it's like really strong mango smell.
It's a little overripe, it looks like,
yeah.
but... It's like a butter knife would probably cut this better. This one you can cut through the skin. Alright. So I don't know too much about this one. It's a Zills variety. It doesn't come up that often. I don't have one in the ground. So let's give it a try. It's very overripe. And it's still a little watery.
Yeah, it's pretty watery, but then there is still like the mango, classic mango.
Well, it definitely it tastes like a peachy mango, and to me the closest flavor to just a regular mango flavor is peach. A lot of them have kind of a peachy tone to it. This one tastes kind of like a watery peach.
Yeah. Like a super watered down peach.
And maybe this one's always like that. Juicy peach is not, juicy peach sounds better than watery peach, but that kind of seems to be. It's not bad. It's got a great texture. It's got some sweetness. It's got a little bit of flavor, but not a whole lot. It wouldn't be bad in like a fruit salad or something, but it's...
Maybe like a fruit smoothie though, so that way it wouldn't be too watery.
But it's not super watery. It's not as watery as like a mango that's gotten too much water in the fruit split kind of thing, but it's just a little bit weak. It's feels like 80% of a mango, and yeah, I mean it's okay. This one's a little this one's a little overripe, so it's a little bit mushy. And maybe they're not always this watery, but...
That piece was a lot better than I just had.
It's got a... This could be one of those peach pieces out of fruit cocktail, and you probably couldn't tell the difference. And that's not bad, but it's just, it's a mango. It ought to be a few notches higher than that. So this one, and again, maybe that's why this one's not terribly popular, is that it's just not that great. But texture-wise, it's good. Sweetness is good. And there's nothing bad about it. It's just kind of dull. So, yeah.
It's like a 6 or a 7 to me, but it's not phenomenal.
Yeah, I'd give it a solid 6.
Yeah. Same.
Anyway, not terrible, just there's a lot of better ones out there. And Zills in particular has a lot of way better ones than this one. So that may be why they're not building it up that much, is because they've got some other ones like coconut cream and fruit punch and cotton candy and other ones that are so much better. But anyway, it's okay. Just not great.
Yeah.
Oh well. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Pick the mango from the tree and the mango down to me. Put the mango